Alright, hey everyone, today we're doing an unboxing on a Sumi LED RGB, red, green, blue, lights, or strip lights. This is battery operated and it has remote control. Okay, inside we have a piece of white paper. It's very white and paper-like with some waxy coating. Oh, my goodness, and it has a shows it's instructions. Actually, I thought it was just a piece of paper. Okay, so connection between battery and LED light strip. There we have it. Okay, just plug it in. It's fairly simple. Also, we have a remote. That looks pretty sweet. It looks like it comes with a battery, so you just pull this out. Let's do that now. There we go. Okay. Inside here we have the battery holder. Looks like it has a couple tabs here you could pop open. Might even be waterproof. It looks like it's got a nice little seal there. Not sure what this is for. Maybe brightness or something. Let me see here. It says waterproof. Oh, to change the colors, you can use that, I guess. Okay. All right, now last but not least, we have the light strip itself. Remember when LEDs were like super expensive? I got this off of Amazon for like $15, so I just need to be able to open it. See if I can accomplish that. Okay, so there we go. I'll hook this bad boy up. See if it works or not, right? Okay. Oh, has a couple little plugs in here as well. Is that it? All right. So we got these little plug-ins here. We have this. It's kind of like a okay, it's got like a little rubber coating on there, so it's kind of cool. It's got, looks like some 3M sticky tape on the back, which is nice. This is about 16 to 18 inches long, I would say. Just happen to have some batteries here. I'm gonna throw these in here. AA batteries in the pack. There's one. There's two. And there's three. If you don't have Amazon batteries, they're pretty good. We're gonna lock that in. It's pretty nice. Okay, and then using these little plug-ins here, I'm assuming that either way they might be okay, and it looks like we just plug it in there like that. Let's see how it works. We have an on button. Ha! How slick is that? All right, there's red, green, blue. Let me turn off the light here. Get a little bit of a more, all right, different colors. There's orange. Woo. All kinds of different colors on there. All right, you got fade, jump, switches from different colors, reset. It's got light down, dim it. That's cool. You can turn it up brighter if you want to. Huh, pretty sweet. And then you can turn it off. All right, this also comes with, let me open this back up. It is waterproof, so it's got this little switch here. Let's see what that does. Okay, it's a button there too. I thought you could spin it to change color, but no, you push it. Oh, okay, awesome. So basically you don't have to undo that. You push it right here and it changes the colors between the different colors, which is pretty sweet. Yeah, I'll leave a link to this sweet little product in the description below. Picked it up from Amazon for $15.99, 16 bucks. And it's pretty cool, I'd have to say. So I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that you could cut these right on the lines here and then add another strip. Looks like it has, okay, it's got another little adapter there. You could put more on there, but I'm pretty happy with this. This is exactly what I wanted. So thanks for watching this little review and demonstration. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.